Here's an analytical question, something that a data scientist or analyst would investigate. The common output for this type of question is really a slide presentation with visualizations or data tables, and each data table would be accompanied by a bullet or two or three explaining why it's important or relevant. Now in sequiturs AI, we flip that model on its head and lead always with reasons. Each reason supported by evidence or analysis. And this focuses the analysis and the presentation overall on the conclusion, the next step in responding to this prompt. So here we have in response 3 reasons, and each reason is linked to a citation. This could be anything. In this case, it's supported by a Metabase dashboard, and this one is supported by some documentation about the onboarding process, and this one also supported by a BI dashboard. This model also helps stakeholders engage with the analysis, in this case, challenging it directly. We've challenged premise 3. So when there are specific questions or problems with an analysis, stakeholders or other analysts can come in and directly challenge surgically the specific piece where they pose an issue. And the issue is really in this dashboard. It's represented by this reason, and here we go. We can raise a challenge to it and engage in a very structured discourse. Or we can also engage in comments, respond to this prompt, or maybe further perform some analysis to answer this question. We can pose questions to AI as well. Finally, we can always evolve the analysis. Analytical projects are rarely one and done. So in the same way that we track a code base in Git, we track analytical outputs in sequiturs AI. Here we've added another reason, and the finding is now a bit different, and we can track how these changes evolve over time. Finally, this analysis will not be lost to the sands of time in a slide deck tucked away in a directory somewhere. We have this in sequiturs AI. This is an archive for our analysis, so we can look back and see what decisions and what analytical projects we were doing at a given point in time that led us to specific decisions.